15, 13, 12, 11, 10. We are
go. 40 years ago, a small spacecraft the size of a car left Earth, and never came back. Today, Voyager 2 is more than 20 billion kilometers away, still talking to us. Still sending secrets from the edge of the universe. But what exactly has it told us? And why scientists believe it's rewriting the story of our solar system. In August 1977, Voyager 2 lifted off from Cape Canaveral not as a war machine, not as a satellite for Earth, but as a time capsule and explorer for all of humanity. NASA designed it to take advantage of a once-in-176 years cosmic alignment, the perfect gravitational slingshot past Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. No other spacecraft has visited all four giants. Voyager 2 did it in just 12 years. First stop, Jupiter. Voyager 2 showed us its volcanic moon Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Then Saturn. The rings were not solid sheets, but made of countless icy particles dancing in delicate patterns. At Uranus, Voyager 2 discovered the planet rotates almost lying on its side, likely from a massive ancient collision. It found 11 new moons and strange magnetic fields tilted at odd angles. And at Neptune, the spacecraft captured the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm the size of Earth, and saw geysers erupting from the icy moon Triton. Then came the moment scientists had dreamed of. Voyager 2 crossed the boundary of the heliosphere in 2018, the invisible bubble of solar wind protecting our planets. Outside it, the sun's influence fades, and interstellar space begins. Voyager 2 measured cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and plasma density, revealing that space between the stars is far more turbulent and filled with energy than we thought. This wasn't just a milestone in exploration, it was humanity's first step into the galaxy beyond. But Voyager 2 isn't just a science mission, it's a message in a bottle. On board is the Golden Record, a phonograph filled with 116 images, greetings in 55 languages, sounds of Earth, and music from Bach to Chuck Berry. It's humanity introducing itself to the cosmos, in case someone or something finds it millions of years from now. After more than 40 years, Voyager 2's radio signal is so faint it takes over 18 hours to reach us, traveling at the speed of light. Yet it keeps sending data, powered by a tiny nuclear generator. In a few years, it will fall silent. But it will keep drifting through the Milky Way for billions of years, carrying our story. In the end, Voyager 2 is more than a spacecraft, it's proof that humanity can dream beyond borders, beyond lifetimes, and beyond worlds. One small machine, carrying the curiosity of an entire species, into a darkness we may never reach ourselves. And somewhere, out there, Voyager 2 still listens.